Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing yet again another shopping video. So first of all, I am out of breath. I decided to bring you guys shopping with me, like I said. Once again, I actually need to go to Walmart. Of course, I need to stock up on a few self-care items, hygiene products. So I figured I will bring you guys along with me so you can shop with me, so you guys can see how I take care of myself, how I take care of my hygiene, how I stay smelling fresh, clean, keep everything nice and clean, if you know what I mean. I take a lot of pride in my hygiene, and I think as women we all should, actually everyone in general should take pride in hygiene. So we're gonna go to Walmart together and we're going to pick up a few things that I'm running low on, and I'm also going to be picking up a few things that I absolutely love. So we're gonna be just doing some shopping. So if you guys want to see my favorite hygiene products, how I stay smelling fresh and clean, then go ahead and keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so the first thing that I need to buy is some body wash. I need body wash for just my body, and then I need to take a bar of soap. I like to use this for the booty and the vajayjay to keep that nice and clean. I do like to use two separate things. Don't know why. I think that's how my mom always got me used to it. So I do need to stock up on both body wash and a body bar. So I'm going to take this one. I saw juicyjas talking about this one, and I've never used this one in specific. So I'm going to use the sensitive skin, and again, this one's just for my private parts, and then we're going to get a body wash. Okay, so I just saw this brand Rainforest, and I've never tried this before, so I'm kind of curious to see how it works. This one sounds super yummy. Apricot ginger, and it's a body wash, and I love that it has a pump. It just makes it so much easier to dispense. So I think I'm gonna take this one because I always take anything that's coconut, so this one has a little bit of beets in it, so let's try this one. Okay, so I actually do need a new loofah, and I'm gonna take this one because hello pink. And I'm going to take an extra one because my little girl needs one, but I think these are too big for her, so I'm going to try to find another one that is a little bit smaller. Ooh, look at this. Body wash mousse. That sounds exciting, but I'm going to try that one first. Next up is shampoo. So I'm currently trying out this brand, the Maui Moisture. I wanted to get the hair mask, but unfortunately they don't have this one. Like, they're totally out, so I'm gonna have to check maybe my local Target tomorrow or something. But this shampoo so far, I really like it. It smells super good, and the best thing is that it's like really good with its ingredients. It doesn't have any like harsh chemicals, minerals, silicones, parabens. It's gluten free, so that is exactly what you need to be using in your hair in order for you to have a bomb hair. So I'm not gonna buy anything as far as shampoo today because I just bought these, but I'm bummed out that they don't have the mask. Bummer. Next on my list is toothpaste. So my personal favorite is this one right here, I believe, the Colgate Optic Whites. I'm pretty sure it's this one. I always forget which one I get. I'm so horrible. I'm pretty sure I get this one though. I really like it because I do feel like it does make your teeth slightly whiter, and I do drink a lot of coffee, so I do have to make sure that I'm always keeping my mouth clean. So I'm gonna take this one because, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's the one that I usually use. If not, then I guess we're trying something new. Next up is a little bit of shaving cream. Now, my razors, I get them from Costco because I get a better deal. I get a lot more for a lot cheaper. But if you guys are wondering what is my favorite like razors, I really like the Venus. I've heard the Joy is really good. I haven't tried them. I might try them out once I'm out of mine. But for my shaving cream, I'm gonna try this one. I don't know. I kind of want to try this one. Like, the packaging looks cute, but this is like a better deal. If you guys have a favorite shaving cream, let me know, because I've tried this one. I've tried this one and they're okay, but I don't know. Let's try this one and see if we like her or not. You guys are gonna have to let me know your thoughts on this if you have used it. Okay, so next up is feminine wash. Now, what I'm actually here for are these. These are super bomb for that time of the month, just to keep yourself clean, you know, throughout the day. I love to use these just because, I mean, you guys know how it goes with the period and stuff. So these are my favorite. I've tried the other ones, but these are just literally the best when it comes to that time of the month. So we're also going to be stocking up on these. Now, next on my list is lotion. I have one lotion, but I love testing out new lotions, and I saw one of my friends, she had this Jergens Daily Moisture. Oh my god, the smell is amazing. So I'm gonna take one of these because me and my daughter both share the lotion and we can go through it pretty fast. So I definitely like to smell good, but I also like to be moisturized, and this one is for dry skin. And if you guys get a chance to try it or smell it, you're going to love the scent. So we're gonna take this one. I am bummed out they don't have the micellar water that I usually use. So I mean, I guess this is still considered hygiene, right? I mean, hygiene, skin, face, it all pretty much goes in the same category. So my favorite one is actually this one by Garnier, but I like the pink one. This one is a waterproof makeup remover. I haven't tried this one. It says that it's for all skin types, even sensitive. So I'm gonna try it because they literally don't have anything else. So why not? We're gonna give this one a shot. If you guys haven't tried this one, please try it. I highly recommend it. But of course, if you guys have tried any other micellar waters that you guys really like, that really remove your makeup, leave them in the comment section down below, because I'm always wanting to try new things, and yeah, just let me know. Another amazing self-care item, you guys, are these washcloths. Now you can use these to like wash your face, but I like to use these to just like pat dry my face. And because you get so many, I keep like half for me, and then half I use them to like clean my makeup brushes. So these come in super handy, and they're only like $3. So these babies are coming with me. Just make sure you always wash them like right after you use them, because I mean, they are cotton, they are washcloths, so yeah. But these come in handy. I really like them. Okay, so technically this isn't self-care, but I came across this huge, well, it's really long, like a cardigan duster. Oh my god, I wish you guys could feel the fabric. If you guys go into Walmart, look at these cardigans. They're super, super long. So I'm gonna take it like, hello, fall, winter, and it is getting super cold here in Utah. And I'm also going to take this long sleeve shirt. It looks like that one. If you guys haven't seen like my Walmart fashion haul, I will have it linked. But I'm definitely gonna take this because, oh my god, I can't pass it up. I'm sorry, I can't. Okay, so I am back home. It is pretty late at night, so I'm just going to sit in front of like my vanity. Excuse the background, you guys. It is a mess in here. This is like my studio slash filming area, so you guys see like all the equipment in the back. That's besides the point. I'm going to show you guys really quick just a rundown of what I ended up getting at Walmart. I think I'm going to do like my favorite clothing pieces from Walmart, because I seriously have so many, because Walmart has so many cute pieces. So I know this isn't like a self-care like item, but I care about myself and my appearance, so I had to get a cute little shirt. I ended up getting this long sleeve v-neck. This is by the No Boundaries line. And then I also ended up getting this super long like cardigan slash duster. This is also a No Boundaries line, which this line is probably my favorite. It is like super duper long, as you can see, like super long, but I just feel like this is perfect for like fall weather and like with some cute thigh-high boots. And I have some brown boots that go perfect with this. So I ended up finding these small little loofahs in the traveling section. These are going to be for my daughter. I'm going to save one for later. That way, when I get ready to dispose them, make sure that you only keep loofahs for about 30 days, because these are like a germ fast. So make sure you're always switching them out. It's like super important and super hygienic to do that. I also got the Jergens Daily Moisture 24-hour hydration for visibly smoother skin. Like I said, I really picked this one up because it smells so good. I love the scent on it. This lotion smells so good. I can't wait. I'm actually going to jump in the shower in a little bit and I'm just going to lather my body in this. I also got the 2-pack of the Colgate Optic White Advanced Icy Fresh toothpaste. This is my absolute favorite to keep my pearly teeth white. I mean, I don't have pretty perfect teeth, so it's like you gotta choose your battles. You know, you can't have ugly teeth with yellow teeth. Like, that's just my motto, and because I have ugly teeth, I have to keep them white. I'm just kidding, you guys. But this is my favorite toothpaste because it really does make my teeth white. So like I said, I am a coffee drinker. I occasionally drink a little bit of wine, and so Mama's gonna keep her pearly whites white. It is that time of the month, and so I had to stock up on my Summer's Eve Fresh Cycle Cleansing Cloths. These reduce the period odor as well as pH balance, free from dyes, alcohol, and parabens. These are 24 flushable cloths. I have another brand, or it's also Summer's Eve, but it's a different type of cleansing cloths, which I like to use just, you know, on a regular base, even when I'm gonna go out, or if I know I'm gonna be out somewhere. And I don't know, I just really like to keep myself fresh, and especially during the time of the month. You guys, if you know, you know. So I like to stay smelling fresh. I don't want my kuka to smell like anything else. So these are a must-have, and they're pretty like cute. So if you need to throw them in your bag, if you're gonna go out somewhere, yeah. This is the loofah for me, and yeah, this one's just, I don't know, it's just a cute pink loofah. I stocked up on my micellar skin active water. This one, again, is just an excellent makeup remover. I wouldn't recommend for you to not wash your face. It says no rinse nor harsh rubbing, but I always rinse my skin after I take off my makeup because I do what they call a double cleanse. Take off my makeup with an oil, wash my face, and then I make sure, actually I take off my face with an oil, then I go in with this, and then I wash my face just to make sure and ensure that my skin is nice and cleansed and it has no makeup. I love for my rooms to smell really good, so I know that these are not self-care items or hygiene products, but I do love my home to smell really good as well as my rooms. So I picked up this fragrance oil diffuser, and I got this one. It says Sparkle and Shine. It is super cute. I'm gonna keep this one in my room, and then I got 2 of the oil refills, which are these. This one is gonna go in my daughter's room. It's the Spring and Sunshine, and then this one is a Cashmere Amber, which smells so good. It's a very soft and like sexy scent, so this one's gonna go in my room. These cloths are my absolute favorite. As I mentioned, you can totally use these to wash your face as like a scrub, but I personally like to use them to pat dry my skin. You don't want to like be too rough with these on your skin because they are, I guess, yeah, they're cotton, and so they can be a little bit rough on the skin. I have these right here that I literally keep it to wipe off my brushes. I clean my brushes every day with a little bit of Cinema Secrets little brush cleaner, and I'll just clean my brushes like this, hence why these are so dirty. But these come in super handy for either washing your face or keeping a few extra in your makeup room to just clean off your brushes as you're using them. I wasn't sure if I was going to buy this, the Glee the Shave Mousse. This is in the scent Summer Lily, so this is a shaving mousse. But I just like to try new brands, and I like to, like, I don't know, just venture into new things. And if I like it, I'll repurchase that, and if I don't, at least I got to try it. So I'm gonna try this one and see how I like it, because even though my skin is not super sensitive when I shave, but I still want something to keep my skin a little bit safe from irritation or anything like that. Also, this body wash, I am so excited. This is the Apricot Ginger body wash. Now, I noticed on the back that it says that this is like a family owned and operated product, which is super cool. So if you guys are all for that, then definitely give Rainforest a try. And the last thing that I got is this Dove Sensitive Skin Fragrance Free Beauty Bar. This one I specifically am going to use it for my vagina and for my booty, just to keep myself extra clean. Okay, you guys, and that is it. That is my hygiene routine. That is my little haul. These are products that I'm either low on, that I needed to stock up on, or products that I just really wanted to try out. If you guys like more videos like these, like where I take you shopping with me, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to continue to do videos like these. Like, I actually like doing these videos. Like, they're pretty fun bringing you along with me. I would love to know what your hygiene routine looks like. What do you guys like to use? Do you guys like to use loofahs? Do you guys like to use bar soaps? What is your hygiene routine? I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I love you so much, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video.